Okay, and here is my garage, also the storage hangar for my aircraft. So here we have a little carousel that will spin around that I store a bunch of planes on. So I built it out of wood with wood dowels and insulation to add some covering. So a bunch of stuff here. Of course, mostly warbirds. Here's my Hobby King B-17. Yeah, got a flight. Hurricane, Spitfire, Durafly. The Mustang is a custom paint job. I made this one to represent the P-51 that a friend of mine, father, flew actually in Freddie Orr's squadron, the American Beagles. So over, in the European theater. So a bunch of other stuff here. Little Pulse, put it on floats. I like that plane much better on floats than I do not on floats. Of course, got a little tank down under there. Let's see what else we have over here. Timber. Again, I like the timber better on floats, but I still don't fly it much. I'll probably sell it. It kind of bores me, honestly. QQ Extra, great plane. I screwed up and let it run out of battery really low on the ground when I was trying to hover it, so it hit really hard and broke the motor mount. Need to get in there and repair it. So he played Focke-Wulf 190. See, we got a Mosquito, dinged up wing on that one. I let it tip stall on me. Got a couple boost gliders, so got the Klingon boost glider there. Got a couple other boost gliders. So the one there with the bi-wing kind of looks like a stick. Then we have another one there on top. See what else. A couple of planes that don't fly much anymore. Multiplex Magister. Kind of got that when I was teaching my daughter to fly. I'll probably sell it if someone's interested in a trainer. V900, real speedster. So you've got the BF 109 Durafly, the Flightline TA 152. There's my F86 free wing, another Focke-Wulf. Bushmule, that one's a lot of fun. Put it on floats, really enjoy flying it on the water. So here's my garage workstation. It's a real mess, fire hazard with all these batteries laying out here. Up there's my Flightline ME-262. The left gear, no, the right gear had popped out last time I landed, so need to repair it a little bit. Let's see, what else? Got a little crawler truck there. Here's all my little UMX planes around here. Let's see, here we have my trailer for some of the bigger planes. See if I can lift it with one hand. Okay, so there we have the Durafly 1.5 meter BF-110 FMS Mustang, the D model. Let's see, this is the Graupner. It's a 1.85-ish or so meter Heinkel HU-111. This is one of my newest ones. This is a 1.6 meter Hobby King FW-190 A model. I've got my Flightline Spitfire there in the back. Let's see, I think that's it for in here. So this little trailer is great because I can leave these planes in here and don't have to take the wings off. That Heinkel, if I ever had to take the wings off of it, I'd never fly it again. It's a real mess inside. Anyway, I think that is it. Okay, and here we are in my evil workshop. My upstairs bonus room, recently converted to my RC hobby shop. Let's see what all we have here. Here on the table on the left, we are putting the gear together for the Phoenix A26 91-inch wingspan, so pneumatic gear. Got them staged here. Been doing some tests on them. Let's see what else we have. Okay, soldering station, of course. Can't have a workshop without that. And here's my Flightline P38. I've got a messed up motor mount on the left wing. No, right wing. I'm sorry, in the right motor mount, yeah. So I need to pull that apart and try to strengthen that. Otherwise, still flying well. Yeah, bottom side's a little chewed up. I had to lay it out in a cornfield one day when I lost the right in the cell. Uh, yeah, the whole motor dropped off. You can still see some of the scars here where I had to repair it and put it back on. Let's see what else. Oh, here's the rest of my A26. So there's the fuselage. Have the rudder and elevator put on. There's one of the wings. Got the elevator. The ailerons put on with the servos installed. Need to put the gear in. The other wing. Let's see. Here's the cockpit. Very nicely done. This is a beautiful model. Under here is the carnage of my A10. I had a disastrous takeoff, my own fault. I got behind the power curve and clipped a small tree as I was lifting off, so I still need to do some repair there, but it's under all the paper and stuff there. Here's my shelves for storing all of my stuff. Let's see, and here printing, I have my workstation. And I am printing out some Luftwaffe pilots. So, yeah, let's see. These, I think this one's about a 1 to 6. This one's probably 1 to 7 or 8. This one's a little bit bigger than 1 to 6. Printing it out now, so all these pieces go together. I got another one on the printer here. So this one should be about a little less than 1 to 6, probably 1 to 6.5 or 1 to 7. So it's steadily been cooking. Let's see, it's about 78% of the instructions are complete. So probably got another couple hours. I think this was about a 13-hour print, so I put it on before I went to bed last night. But it's doing good. Got a bunch of supports under it, so I'll just cut all that off. Then it ought to be in pretty good shape. Anyway, I think that's about it for my workshop.